Hi guys, I am Han, and welcome back to VStudio. In front of you right now is the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. It has been a while since the last time Sony launched any new product. This brand has kept silent for too long that it was nearly forgotten in the smartphone market. And in this video today, you and I will have a quick experience about this brand new product of Sony to see whether it has any special thing. First is about the design. Not taking part in the race of the infinity screen trend, Sony keep loyal with the old omnibalance design. Therefore, Xperia 1 II looks quite the same as the previous generation. In general, it was designed in the long rectangle shape finished with the metal frame, flat edges, strong and sturdy square corners. Both the front and the back of the device is equipped with tempered glass that brings a luxury feeling to the customer when holds it in hand. The design allows the Xperia 1 II to have a dual floating speaker clusters on the front that is rare to see at the other smartphones. Next is the display. About the screen, the Xperia 1 II has an OLED panel with 4K resolution, 6.5-inch size with 21.5:9 aspect ratio, and supports the HDR technology. Unfortunately, this screen will not support the refresh rate of 90Hz or 120Hz like on the current flagships of some other brands. About the performance, the Xperia 1 II is equipped with the most cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chip, having 8GB RAM and UFS 2.1 256GB internal memory, supports 5G sub-6 connectivity standard. This new flagship of Sony has waterproof and dust-resistant ability based on the IP65 IP68 standard. It also comes with a 4000 mAh battery supported with fast charging and wireless charging. The more interesting thing is the comeback of the 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature quite important to the majority of users that Sony has cut off on the previous generation, the Xperia 1. Finally, let's take a look at the design of camera. Sony Xperia 1 II owns a 3-megapixel camera cluster with a constant resolution of 12 megapixels and a large size of each sensor designed for better zoom. On the top is the ultra-wide-angle camera with a focal length of 16mm and an aperture of f2.2, size of 1.26 inches, a viewing angle of 130 degrees, and supports dual PDAF dual-phase focusing technology. Next is a telephoto sensor with 70mm focal length, f2.4 aperture, 1.34 inches size, supports phase detection focusing, and OIS optical stabilization. The main camera of Xperia 1 II is a large 1 to 1.7 exmor sensor, supports dual phase focus, OIS optical stabilization, and f1.7 aperture. The final is the selfie camera. Xperia 1 II has a 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture, which is in the bezel on the top edge. Thank you for watching video, and see you again.